So today I'm going to show you how you can create a custom 404 page like the one you can see on the screen. So it's really cool. This is going to show you two things really. One is how to create a custom 404 page, which is good, but it's also going to show you the power of WordPress full site editing. So let's get into it. Right, before I start, a quick explanation of what a 404 page is. Basically, it's the page that gets served up by your website when somebody goes to a page that doesn't exist on your website. So if I go to the BBC website and just put some gibberish in afterwards, like I'm doing up on the screen, hit return, you'll see it doesn't exist. This long string of gibberish I put in here doesn't actually exist as a page. So the website goes, no, it's not a page, but we're going to serve up the 404 page. So it's kind of the default page that gets served up when you don't have a page, when somebody types in an erroneous web address. So that's the 404 page. Let's get on to how you actually customize it. Right, first thing to say, in the old days, you used to need a WordPress plugin or some custom code to be able to customize the 404 page, but now with full site editing, it's a breeze. No plugins, no coding needed. Just beware, what I'm about to show you is still likely to change in terms of how full site editing is implemented because it's being changed all the time. So there's two ways to get here. You either go to the admin toolbar. You have to be using, at the moment, before the beta of WordPress comes out, the Gutenberg plugin. As soon as the beta comes out and WordPress 5.9 comes out in December, you won't need the Gutenberg plugin, but at the moment you do. And you also need a full site editing theme. I will put some links in the description to some cool ones. This one's called Tuve, which is one of my favorite full site editing themes, a free theme that you can download from WordPress.org. You go edit site, or if you're in your dashboard, you can get here at the moment. This might change by going to appearance and then editor with a little beta next to it. That will take you to the full site editing stuff. Okay, and then it's pretty straightforward really. We'll just click on the W at the moment to go back. Again, I think this is going to change how this is implemented. You'll see your base templates here. Let me just go back a step. In full site editing, you've got two real concepts. You've got template parts, your headers and your footers really. You've also got your templates, and in templates, you've got your page templates, your post templates. We're interested in the 404 template today. We just load that in, and that loads in the 404 template, and it's just made out of blocks. That's the beauty of full site editing. Now you can see here, here's all the blocks that this is currently. This is what comes with the theme. So every theme will come with its own kind of layout and design of how this is going to look. And if you want to, you can just jump in here and literally change, a word here. Oh, I'm going to put, oh no, exclamation mark. So you can add a bit of personality to it. Or if you wanted to, you can completely customize this. So for example, I could delete every single element on this page, which is kind of what I did on the example, and I could build this completely from scratch. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to start from scratch. So all I'm going to do actually is add the cover block, which is just one of my favorite blocks because it allows you to add a background photo and put some text over it. So I've just chosen a photo here, and I can, make this as big as I like. And with the cover block, you can also change the opacity because I want to probably drop that down again. And now I can basically write whatever I like in here. There's a few other things though that it's worth knowing about. So I'm going to go, oh no, exclamation mark. And let's just make this enormous in typography over here. So let's make this custom, gigantic actually, that's good. And then underneath here, I'm actually going to put the search because there is a search block which lets your readers search your site. And the search block can be customized up here. So you see, we can customize it a little bit. So I can say the button inside here, say no button, and I can also do other things as placeholder. So let's go search again. Okay, with the button block as well. Now make sure you've got it selected. So the search block over here on the right, you've got lots of options. So you can actually set the width here. And once you set the width, you can actually align it. So that looks a bit nicer as far as I'm concerned. Now, the other thing that I did on the site before, obviously got a different photo, is I reinserted the navigation part, and then I put the navigation within the cover block because I just think that looks kind of cute. Now, what I'm going to do for ease here, I'm going to add it underneath and push it up to the top once I've added it. So I'm just going to search for the navigation block, just another block. I'm going to select an existing menu, which I've got here. That's going to bring my menu in. Then I'm going to just pop it up above. Then you can just drop it up above, and now I can center it. And over on the right here, if I want to, I can change the text color. And obviously you can put any words in here, anything you like, but I just need to save that. When I save it, it's going to prompt me over the right here. Do I want to save the 404 page, which I do. Now when I go back to my website and put in some / some gibberish, this is how you can test it. That's going to load in my brand new, fantastic 404 page. So there you go, that's how you can create your 404 pages. I just want to show you one final thing which is going to be useful for you. You can revert as well. This is a really key thing. So once you've created your custom layouts, if you want to change it back, you just click on the top here and it's this option here, clear customizations. That will just revert the page template back to its original state, so you don't have to worry, you can restore them when you want to. So there we go, hope you enjoyed that. If you did, if you can give it a thumbs up, that would be great. It helps spread the word of the channel. It also helps feed our cats. And if you like the video and you want to see more videos like this, hit subscribe. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.